Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Geometrical isomers in octahedral complexes. In the previous video, we discussed geometrical isomers in square planar complexes, but in this video in octahedral complexes. For octahedral complexes, the coordination number is 6. The coordination number is 6. The example of the molecule in octahedral complexes are central metal ion M, and if monodentate ligands are taken, A2 B4, 4 plus 2 equal to 6, coordination number 6, octahedral complex N plus or minus. From this A2, we can tell in octahedral complexes which one is cis isomer and which one is trans isomer. Here A and B are monodentate ligand. A and B are monodentate ligand. One more example in the octahedral complexes, coordination number 6 is M central metal ion, X2 and B2 N plus or minus. X2 means a bidentate ligand with two same kind of donor atom. And B2 monodentate ligand. From the position of monodentate ligand, we can assign cis and trans isomer in which complex? Octahedral complexes. The position of ligands in octahedral complexes is indicated as central metal atom or ion is present at the center. All these are position of ligands. X-axis minus X, Y-axis minus Y, Z-axis minus plus Z minus Z, plus Y minus Y. The number 1 first position is given to the ligand present above the plane 1, and these are starting with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th position is occupied by the ligand which are perpendicular to the position 1 below the plane number 6. Simply we can draw the structure in octahedral complexes as central metal ion at the center, M at the center. To draw the first square plane, we have to draw. This is a square plane. Above the plane, one ligand, below the plane, another ligand. Above the plane, one ligand, below the plane, another ligand. Now, write the position of the ligand. Before that, join all the 1, 2, 3, 4 square planar atoms. What are the ligands we have? First number is given to the ligand present above the plane. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In octahedral complexes, there are 12 cis positions and 3 trans positions in octahedral complexes. There are 12 cis positions or isomers and 3 trans isomer. Cis, how to write cis position? Join with the first position with the all the corner of the ligand position. 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Join all the ligand position from the first position 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Then all corner position are now linked with the sixth position below the plane 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6. Then make a round in this square, make a round in this square. How to write? 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 2, 2 comma 5. So these are the 12 position for cis isomers in octahedral complexes. Transmit opposite. Opposite to the first position is 6. Opposite to the second position is 4. Opposite to third position is 5. So opposite to first position 1 comma 6, second position 2 comma 4, third position 3 comma 5. How many trans isomers? We have 3 trans isomers. 3 trans isomers. What are they? 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 5. These are the 3 trans position in octahedral complexes. Now we are going to write the examples of octahedral complexes. Before that, I will show one model indicating the octahedral complexes. See this model. So this is a model of an octahedral complexes. This ligand, first ligand is above the plane, and here you have one ligand below the plane. These are the ligands present in the corner of the square planar. Position of ligand. This ligand is considered as number 1, first position. 2, 3, 4, 5, then below the plane you have 6. This is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below the plane you have 6th position. Now how to find out the 12 cis position in this complex? Join the ligand which is present above the plane with the corner ligand 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Again 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Now join all the ligand present in the corner of the square with the number 6th position. How do you join with the 6th position? 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, here 5 comma 6. How to join it? 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6. Above the plane 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. With the 6th ligand 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6. Totally 8 positions are over. Then make a round in this square 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 2 or 2 comma 5. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 2. Totally 6 positions are over. Trans, there are 3 trans positions. Opposite. The opposite of the first position is 6th position. 1 comma 6 opposite position. 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4. Sorry, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 5. 3 trans position. 1 comma 6, 2 comma 4, then 3 comma 6. 3 trans position. And now when you see the structure of these complexes as shown to you, now when you see the structure of the complexes as shown to you, the center M metal ion is present, around that ligands are present. Above the plane, the first position number 1 is present, below the plane number 6 is present. In the corner of the square, 2, 3, 4 and 6 positions, 2, 3, 4 and 5th positions are present in the corners of the octahedron. Opposite to the first position is 6. Opposite to the second position is 4. Opposite to third position is 5. These are 3 trans isomers. Then when you join all the corner ligand with the ligand present above the plane, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Then join all the corner position with the ligand present below the plane, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. Make a round in the square, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 2, 5. So these are 6 position, 12 cis isomers and 3 trans isomers. But having all these 12 cis isomers, we can not easily tell cis and trans isomer. Simply, if similar ligands are present in one and so simply we can tell if similar ligands are present in 1, 2 position. Similar ligands are present in 1, 2 position. Similar ligands are present in 1, 2 position. It is called cis isomer. If similar ligands are present in 1, 6 positions, it is called trans isomer. It is called trans isomer. Simply we can explain. Now we can write the example of the complexes. First one is by taking cobalt, CO 3 plus ion, 4 amine and 2 Cl2, amine 0, 1 chlorine 1 minus, 2 chlorine 2 minus, charge on the complex is 1 plus. For these complexes, what is the IUPAC name? Tetra amine, A is first, tetra amine dichlorido central metal ion cobalt oxidation state 3 ion, cobalt 3 ion, tetra amine dichlorido cobalt 3 ion. Now I am going to draw the structure of these complexes. Cobalt at the center, cis and trans we have to draw. Cobalt at the center, then corner of the square occupied by 4 ligands, corners of the square occupied by 4 ligand. This is a square. Above the plane 1 ligand, below the plane 1 ligand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, above the plane, below the plane, above the plane, below the plane. Similar ligands, we have Cl2 as similar ligand. If the similar ligands occupy 1, 2 position, the isomer is called cis. If the similar ligands are occupied 1, 6 position, it is called trans. Other 4 amines are 1 NH3, another NH3, third NH3, and fourth NH3. Here also NH3 amine, another NH3, third NH3 and fourth NH3. Now charge on the complex is 1 plus. Charge on the complex is plus 1. Charge on the complex is plus 1. And here also charge on the complex is plus 1. The first isomer is called cis isomer. The first isomer is called cis isomer because similar ligands are in 1,2 position in octahedral complexes cis. Another one is trans. Another one is trans. Taking one bidentate ligand as example. Now we are going to draw another one cis-trans structure of octahedral complexes. Cobalt central metal ion, bidentate ligand En, ethane 1,2 diamine, 2 ethylene diamine, 4 positions are over, and another 2 similar ligands Cl2. Charge on the complex is plus 1. Now I write the IUPAC name of this complex, dichlorido, C is first, dichlorido, 2 ligand, pis, ethane 1,2, ethane 1,2, diamine, central metal ion, cobalt, oxidation state 3, name end with ion, name end with ion, 3 ion. Now I am going to draw the structure of this complex. Cobalt is a central metal ion, CO3 plus, CO3 plus, cis and trans, square planar. First we have to draw the square. Ethylene diamine in which position? That depends upon cis and trans. 4 bonds join all the corners of the square. Above the plane, 1 bond, below the plane, another bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Above the plane, below the plane. Now see, the 2 chlorine atoms are in 1,2 position. This is cis. 2 chlorine are in 1,6 position trans. How to draw ethylene diamine? Simply, we know CH2 NH2, CH2 NH2 ethylene diamine, but simply we can draw ethylene diamine. Donor atom, nitrogen. Donor atom, nitrogen. Join 2 nitrogen like curves and put En here. This is ethylene diamine. Here N, donor atom. N, donor atom. Join the 2 nitrogen CH2, CH2, NH2. This is ethylene diamine. This is called cis form because 2 chlorine atom are in 1,2 position. Charge on the complex is 1 plus. Like that we have to draw here. Ethylene diamine, CH2 NH2, CH2 NH2, donor atom nitrogen, donor atom nitrogen, join 2 nitrogen, En, here nitrogen, join 2 nitrogen and put it as here ethylene diamine. Charge on the complex is plus 1. So here charge equal to plus 1, here charge equal to plus 1, plus 1. 2 chlorine atoms are in 1,2 position. This is called cis, and 2 positions are in 1,6 position, opposite positions called trans. So in octahedral complexes, simply we can say if 2 similar ligands are in 1,2 position cis isomer, 1,6 position trans isomer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.